Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude, Fillet, Chamfer, Thread, Revolve, Mirror, and Shell. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. We'll make a center line here first with 130 millimeters. And then we'll make the half of this sketch, okay? Because we use the revolve features to make this cylinder, okay? So open the Fusion, go to Assembly and select Create a New Component. The name here, Part 1, and press OK. Now go to Create a Sketch and select the front plane, select Line. Make a line here with 130 millimeters. Go to constraints and select the midpoint. Select this line and the center point here. Select the line again. Make this sketch here. We'll put the dimensions later, okay? No problem. Make this a vertical line. Go to constraints, select this point and this point here. Now go to sketch dimension. This line here has 12 millimeters. Go to constraints and select equal. Select this line and select this one. And go to dimension again. The distance here is 3 millimeters. And the distance here is 8.5 over 2. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Revolve Features. The profile is this one and the axis is this line here. We made this. Operation new body, press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to press letter A in the keyboard. We'll add a color here. Go to painting, glossy. I'll paint this red, okay, no problem. You can choose any color you want, no problem. Go to Assembly and select a new component. We will call Part 2. And the parent here, select this project here and press OK. Save this exercise. C-clamp. Okay. Active the Part 2. Okay. To active, just select this, click here in this circle. Now we'll make the part 2. So the first step to create the part 2 here, we will select the front plane and make this sketch here. It is a circle with 20 millimeters of diameter and a hole here with 6 millimeters of diameter, and we need to extrude this 10 millimeters, okay? So open the Fusion here, hide the part 1, go to Create a Sketch and select the front plane, select the circle, click here, make a circle with 20 millimeters of diameter, and create another circle with 6 millimeters of diameter, and finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile, extrude this, the direction, symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance 10 millimeters. Okay. Now we need to add this chamfer with 2 millimeters, 2 by 2. So go to Modify, select chamfer, select this edge and this edge. The distance here is 2 millimeters, and press OK. We made this, okay. Add color to this body here. I will add black here. Okay. Now active the C-clamp here. Click here with the right button. Copy and paste here. We can move this a little bit, no problem. Press OK. Show the part 1. We have this, okay? Now go to Assembly and select the joint. Select this edge here. and select this edge here, these two circles, okay? The motion here, rigid, and press OK. Now let's make a joint here, go to assembly, select joint, select this edge here and select this edge here. And press OK. We made this, okay? You can move this a little bit here to the side, no problem, if you want, okay? You can move this 2 millimeters, no problem. And double click here, move 2 millimeters here if you want, okay? No problem. We made this. Now go to assembly and select the new component. The name here, part 3, and press OK. Hide the component 1 and 2, and the joints, you can hide 2, no problem. To create the part 3, the screw, we'll select the front plane and make this sketch here. We'll make a center line here. And we'll make this sketch. We have all the dimensions, okay? So open the Fusion. Oh, sorry. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here at this point, make a line here. Make the sketch here, okay? We'll put the dimensions later, no problem. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 22 millimeters over 2. Okay. And the distance here is 16 millimeters. The distance here is 65 millimeters. Move this a little bit. Let me delete this line here, no problem. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Okay. And the diameter here, the radius is 7 millimeters. And the radius here is 3 millimeters. We made this, okay? Now go to modify, select chamfer, equal distance. The chamfer here is 2 millimeters. And finish the sketch, go to Revolve features. The axis, select this line here and press OK. Operation new body, we made this. Now we need to create this hole here. This hole has 9 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and the midpoint here is 9 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 9 millimeters of diameter. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here is 9 millimeters. Go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint, press OK. Now go to extrude and the direction, select symmetric and measurement whole length. And the extended type, select the all, press OK. We made this, okay. Now to create the thread here, go to create and select thread and select this face here. The size M14. You can select the modeled if you want, no problem. And press OK. We made this, okay. Now press letter A in the keyboard. Let's add some color here. I will add yellow color here, okay. Active the C clamp. Show the others component and the relations. We have this. Now go to assembly, select joint. And here, select the center of this circle here. Hold Ctrl in the keyboard. Select this point here in the center. And select this point here. the motion here rigid, and press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to assembly and select the new component. Select the name here, part 4. Press OK. I will hide the others component, okay. To create the part 4, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here, we'll create a line with 10 millimeters. Create another line here with 15.5 millimeters and create an arc here with 17 millimeters of radius, okay? And then we use the Revolve features. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in this point, make a line here with 10 millimeters. Create a line here with 15.5 millimeters and create an arc here. Sorry. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, click in this point and this point, make an arc here. Go to sketch dimension, the radius here, 17 millimeters of radius. Finish the sketch, go to Revolve feature. The axis, select this line, operation new body, press OK. Now, we needed to remove a solid here. The thickness will be 2 millimeters. So let's use the Revolve features to make this. Sorry, shell. So go to modify, select shell, and select the face that we want to remove. And the inside thickness is 2 millimeters. And press OK. We made this, okay. Now we need to create this hole here with 3 millimeters of radius or 6 millimeters of diameter through this body, okay. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 6 millimeters of diameter, finish the sketch, go to extrude, the direction symmetric, the extended type all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Okay. Now press letter A in the keyboard, add a color here. Any color we want, no problem. Active the C clamp here. Show the others component. Okay, we can move this. Now go to assembly and select the joint. And select this edge here. And select this edge here. And press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to assembly and select the new component. The part 5 here, the name. And press OK. I will hide the others component. So the first step to create the part 4, we will select the right plane and make this sketch here, okay. And here will be the midpoint, okay. So the first thing that we make, we create a line here with 72 millimeters, another line here with 90 millimeters, another line here with 54, then this line here and this one. So we'll create this sketch here, okay. This cylinder we'll make later, okay. So open the Fusion. Go to create a sketch, select the right plane, select the line, click here at this point, make a line here 72 millimeters, another line here with 90 millimeters, another line here with 54 millimeters, create a line here and a line here. Go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 23 degrees and the distance between this point and this point here is 36 millimeters, okay. And the distance between this point here and this point here is 23 millimeters. We made this. So go to fillet, Make a fillet here with 5 millimeters. And make a fillet here with 20 millimeters. And a fillet here with 20 millimeters. Okay, we made this. And we have an arc here, a fillet with 15 millimeters of radius. So make a fillet here, 15 millimeters. Right, okay, we made this, okay. Now we will create a line here with 20 millimeters and create a line here. Create this sketch, okay. The distance here, 22 millimeters, and the radius here is 7 millimeters. The radius here, 7 millimeters, okay? So select line, click in this point, make a line here with 20 millimeters, create a line here. Make this, okay? Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 22 millimeters. And go to fillet. We have a fillet here with 7 millimeters and a fillet here with 7 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between these two lines here is 20 millimeters. Okay. And go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Make a line between these 2 points. And here we have a fillet here with 3 millimeters. And press OK. And here go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay, we made this. Finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 20 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, the direction, select symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance 20 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we will create this cylinder here. So this cylinder has 22 millimeters of diameter, and the hole here has 40 millimeters of diameter. And here is missing a dimension, but the distance here is 3 millimeters, okay? So go to create a sketch and select this face here, no problem. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 22 millimeters of diameter. And create another circle here with 40 millimeters. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select all this profile. The direction here, 2 sides. The one side is 3 millimeters to this side here, 3 millimeters. And the other side is 20 millimeters. Operation join. We made this. Finish the sketch. Press OK, sorry. And show the sketch again. And go to extrude. Select only this circle here, this hole. And the direction, 2 sides. And to one side is 5 millimeters or 10, no problem, just to make a cut, okay? Press OK. Hide the sketch too. We made this. Now we need to create this knurling here. So it is a triangle, 2 millimeters here by 2 millimeters. And the angle here, we use the 45 degrees. So let's create this. Go to construct, select the plane at angle, select this edge here, rotate this 45 degrees, press OK. Go to create a sketch and select this new plane here. Let me rotate this a little bit. Okay. And here go to line, or first go to create, select the project included, project, select this point here, press OK. Now select line, make a line here with 2 millimeters, and make a triangle here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 2 millimeters, and go to constraint, select the equal, select this line and select this line, and go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and this point here. We made this, okay? Now go to create and select the rectangular pattern, the object, select this triangle here and move this, the direction here, select the symmetric, and the quantity here, and here the distribution, select the spacing, and the distance here, select 2.2 millimeters, okay? And the quantity here, let me see how many. To this side, select the 8, and the direction, select the, you can use here 15, okay? Press OK. We made this. Now select the line, make a line here between this point to this point, and go to mirror, select all this triangle here, and the mirror line, select this line, and press OK. We made this. Now finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select all this profile, and here we'll make a cut to this side, 15 millimeters, that's enough, 45, okay? Operation cut, and press OK. We made this, okay? Now to make this in the other side, go to create and select the mirror. The object type, select the features, the object, select this cut here, and the mirror plane, select the right plane, and press OK. We made this, okay. Now we know that we have a 3D here in the component 3. The 3D here is M14, so we will create a 3D here in the part 5. So go to create and select the 3D, select this face here, M14, model it, and press OK. We made this, okay. And now show the C-clamp, show the others component. We can move this a little bit, and we can add some color here. Let me add black here, and go to assembly, select the joint, select this arc here, and select this arc here. You can move this a little bit and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.